Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is what exactly a response to stimulus test is. As I was just saying to the people who are in the room, this is one of the parts of the core skills test that people do next year in Year 12. So one of the reasons for doing it in SOR is to give people practice at the way that you go about answering that kind of question. So on the screen, what I've got is an extract from the Queensland Study Authority syllabus, and it says, a response to stimulus usually requires reasoned judgments, and that's important, about specific questions which may be answered in a specified length, from short paragraphs to extended responses such as essays. For this test, you are required to write short paragraphs. They may be used to allow students to demonstrate their ability across the different exit criteria, and then they give examples. Now, the three stimulus things that you've got in this test, one is a visual piece, which is the first question. The second is a poem, and the third is a comparison between two sacred texts, one of them Jewish and the other one from the Hindu Vedas. So that's what a response to stimulus test is actually about. So let's start going through the questions. So with each of the questions, you need to respond in between 150 and 200 words. Now, what I suggest you do when you do get the email copy is that you expand the cartoons that you've got here. So let's have a look. So question one asks you, draw it upon the three cartoons provided on this page, so we're on page 3, discuss whether the representation of religion is positive, negative or neutral. You'll need to support your response by referring specifically to material contained in the cartoons. So this is an event, it has to be a reasoned judgment. It needs to be based on evidence that's in the cartoon. So on the screen, I've got the first cartoon. Now, again, as you can see, it's a classroom setting. There's a teacher who's talking about evolution. You've got students that are listening. And then into the classroom, you have what looks like a vaguely biblical kind of character who says, you're forgetting the Bible, you must put your faith in God. To which one of the students who's listening to the teacher replies, evidence or faith? I'm thinking religion must be for people too stupid to understand science. Could we just stop that for a minute, please, Jane? Sorry.
Can we stop the recording?